Hey guys and welcome to my channel. So today we are counting down top 10 animes with an overpowered transfer student. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as I upload anime videos just like this. So with that out of the way, let's count down.
All these thoughts keep me up at night. I can't think straight, need the light. I need to.
So at number 10 we have Aesthetica of a Rogue Hero. It's a story about Akatsuki who is considered as an rogue hero as he discards his peaceful life in a fantasy world to face new challenges on Earth. He comes back on Earth with Mew, the daughter of a demon king whom he defeated. And now they have to hide her identity by posing her as his little sister. It is an action-ecchi fantasy anime.
Thinking that it's fading. I feel hated, I feel hatred. I'm lost deep in my mind that I've created. I have dreams where my life is devastated. Feel so real that I wake up shaking. Need thicker skin cause this life is no.
Number 9 we have Grisaya no Kajitsu. It is a romance harem psychological anime in which our protagonist Yuji transferred to a school in hopes of living a normal life. But the school he transferred to consists of one principal and 5 other girls. By socializing with these girls, he finds out that every girl has their traumatizing experiences and memories.
I can't think straight, need the light. I don't really think I understand this world now. Got my head spinning round in a circle. Everybody lacks what they need internal, so they compensate with everything external. Not trying to throw shade, no way. I'm just trying to find the meaning of life. Hey, there's happiness if you try to live the right way. Forget about.
At number 8 we have Codebreaker. It's an action superpower shonen anime. The story follows Rei and Sakura. Rei is a codebreaker and has some mysterious power, and he seeks to exact justice by the principle of an eye for an eye, and Sakura is determined to bring him to the right path.
Forget that though, you got plenty, you're alive in this life, you got time, go get it. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. What am I doing, did I do it right, yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. All these thoughts keep me up at night, yeah. What am I doing, did I do it right, yeah. All these.
At number 7 we have My Next Life as a Villainess All Routes Leads to Doom. It is an isekai anime with a female protagonist in which our protagonist transferred to an game world where she becomes the villainess of a famous game. So she tries to not trigger any doom flags by making every boy and girl accidentally fall for her.
Gotta go, man, I'm on the chase now. Leave me on my own, I got a chance to break now. Here I fucking go, take control of fate now. I control my flow, and I know that I'll be great. How putting on a show, I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better.
At number 6 we have Absolute Duo. It is an action romance harem anime in which people can materialize weapons from their soul. They are called Blizzard. Everyone needs to be partnered up with one another so that one day a pair can reach Absolute Duo.
Feeling this way daily. Live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down, and I will never give up. I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance. Take it now. And I will always live my till it's over, and I will never give those who hold me down.
Number 5 we have Demon King Daimao. It is an action harem ecchi anime in which Akuto Sai dreams of changing the world, but after transferring to a magic academy, it is prophesied that he will become the Demon King. As the news of this prophecy spreads, everyone in the school starts to fear him.
Family in sight, never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, you'll be fine, just take your time, enjoy the climb, enjoy the grind, you never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, make them take it back what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo, fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo, work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't.
At number 4 we have Rosaria to Vampire. It is a vampire harem romance ecchi anime in which our protagonist Sukune can't get into any high schools because of his bad grades. As a last resort, his parents enrolls him into Yokai Academy, but in this academy only monsters are allowed to study. Every human who is found out gets executed.
I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance. Take it now. And I will always
At number 3 we have Trinity 7. It's an action romance harem ecchi anime. One day the sun stopped shining, causing the breakdown phenomena, causing the destruction of Arata's hometown and disappearing the peoples inhabiting it. By utilizing the power of magical grimoire that he got from his childhood friend and cousin, Arata's world gets artificially reconstructed. At number 2 we have Haganai I Don't Have Many Friends. It is a romance harem ecchi anime in which Kodoka transfers to a new high school and tries to make a positive first impression, but comes off as an delinquent. But after meeting Yuzora, his life changes. Protagonist in this anime is not overpowered as in an action way, but in a way of socializing and talking to people.
Loose from the new stock, drunk off the goose, yeah, thinking that I'm too pop, getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me, giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy, and I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies, setting up shop so everybody remember me, and though I am not going through life regretfully, I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting forgotten souls, so stop.
And finally at number 1 we have Food Wars. It's an anime about cooking and food. Even if you are not into cooking but love to eat different kinds of food, then you need to watch this one. The story follows Yukihira Suma, whose childhood dream is to become the head chef of his family restaurant. So he transferred to a cooking school to sharpen his cooking skills.
You know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, so let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never, you know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm found. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now.
So that is it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel as I upload anime videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram. I upload every anime and manga news there. The link is in the description. And with that, as always, thanks for watching.
They're filled with objection, too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining